Now I've got cad yellow light there. I'm just going to mix that with what's already in my brush. Just bits. The more fine and precise you can get this, it just puts your artwork up a notch in quality. So these are just filbert trees here. If you like them, incorporate them into your artwork. It'll be your signature trees. Every time someone sees your work, they'll know it's yours. Now I never dried it, but in this process you can dry each layer as you put them on. Otherwise they can start evening up the values and mudding up if you're getting that happening. Where are we? Light just coming through here. Look, it's going to come right through and radiate the top of all this, leaning over that dark bit there, leaning over it and getting hit by light. So easy to do when you know what to do, and I know you can do it. And you can see now how it's created depth in here. Keep looking back at your work, it's important. Just remember, there's no rush to do the darn thing. Slow down, take your time, have a cup of tea, make some sandwiches, sit back and look at your work while you're having a cup of tea or a coffee or a port or a rum and coke, whatever you're having, and analyse it while you're having a break. You're never really having a break. Your mind's working all the time. You don't have to be paint to canvas to be painting. Your mind thinking, having a rest in the middle of doing a painting, analysing it and seeing what you want to do is always good and healthy for your artwork as well. Where I put those dark bits radiating down, I need some light just on the top of them to sink them back. Now I never dried this, so I've got to be very careful because I don't want it to mud up. I want this brighter colour to sit on top. Now see the dark bit? Some of this can actually sit right over it, pushing that dark down, just like that. Like I said, take your time, no rush. Here I can see a line there. I mean, that's okay, but if you really want to get rid of that, I come from that area and right across it just to sink it back. That's why it's so important to analyse your work. And you can see how there's a beautiful edge to the trees here.